What is the most common mistake that people make to hurt their family law case?
By far the biggest mistake, by far, is when they go pro se and represent themselves to save a few bucks. I can't overly stress how awful a decision that sometimes is. Because as attorneys, when we get hired in the middle of the case, things are such a mess by then. And here's where it's way worse. If the other party's been represented by counsel that entire time, and then we have to come in the middle and undo the mess that's already been done, because at the end of the day, in the courtroom, it's not fair. It's literally not fair at all. But getting a good attorney is going to make sometimes all the difference in the world, because the reality is, and this is true in most states, it's definitely true in Minnesota, number one, it's a good old boys club. If you're not in our club, you don't belong here. And the amount of pro se people, what I mean by pro se is they don't have an attorney, they're representing themselves. A lot of times people come in, they read up on the law, they're super prepped in their head, yet they get absolutely destroyed in the courtroom. We've seen that happen over and over and over and over. And then they come in pretty beat up by the time they come to us. And often they have opposing counsel and actual licensed attorneys speaking over them, making fun of them. And it's this kind of relationship that the judge and the other attorney has. And then we come in and everything changes, because it truly is a good old boys club. And when somebody's pro se and all of a sudden they're spewing off all kinds of legal jargon that they learn that might be right, a lot of times the reaction is, who do you think you are? And why do you think you have the audacity to come into our courtroom and tell us what the law is? We're the attorneys, we're the judge. This is our world, and you have no right to be here. So I'm giving you generalizations, but the reality in the real world is that's usually how it works. Now, if you ever want to give us a call or click on the link below, we'd love to sit down and have a consultation, go thoroughly through your case, and apply the facts and give you your options. Thank you.